NXP Semiconductors IMX8MMINI-IARD Interposer board is designed to add Arduino compatibility to the i.MX8M-Mini Evaluation Kit. The i.MX8M-Mini Evaluation Kit features i.MX8M-Mini processors that blend advanced processing capabilities with sophisticated audio, video, and graphics to deliver low-power, high-performing solutions for embedded consumer and industrial applications. The IMX8M-Mini-IARD Interposer board connects to the 40-pin dual-row pin header connector on the i.MX8M-Mini-EVKB. The Interposer board features Arduino Uno Shield connectors, enabling the user to connect a wide range of Arduino-compatible boards and devices to the i.MX8M-Mini-EVKB. The NXP Semiconductors IMX8M-Mini-IARD Interposer board features a -40°C to +125°C operating temperature range and does not require a separate power source.